Guys, the road condition has become extremely risky. And I am not wearing my spikes today, although I don't think I would need them today, at least. Okay, the road conditions are quite slippery.
Turn right
At least that's what I think. Going on, my beautiful people. Wow, the weather is very, very, very tricky. It's actually snowing right now. I have never been in this kind of weather out delivering food. It is severe weather. And although I'm completely packed and I'm wearing a different helmet today, I was waiting for this helmet for a long time. Well, I've had this helmet for a long time, but I was waiting for the anti-fog visor to come. I had to get it all the way from China. It took a while, but it's here now. So it's making my life a lot easier. I am not feeling any cold in my head. And obviously I have the the anti-fog visor on. So hopefully I'm not gonna get any fog on my visor. I'm picking up the very first order. It's 62 kroners from Uber Eats. Let's see how tonight proceeds. So the thing is, I think it's snowing pretty hard. Although the temperature right now is -1, but because of the winds and whatnot, it feels like -8. And the visibility is pretty bad, especially when the snow collects on my visor. I have to clear my visor every 5-6 minutes. I'm being very, very careful, and I am not wearing my spikes today, although I don't think I would need them today, at least, because it's still snowing and the roads have not frozen yet. They're pretty wet. Once they start freezing, that's when things become pretty dangerous. So I guess for now, I'm okay, although I'm being very careful. And I am not going at top speed, although on this road, I'm allowed to go at 60 kilometers an hour. But I'm going at 35 because obviously don't want to kill myself. So we are going to McDonald's, I think. So I will see you when I get there. Guys, the road condition has become extremely risky. So I wasn't expecting so much snowfall. But what can you do? Let me just check up my order. Hopefully it's ready. So far, thankfully, I am not wet. But as the night proceeds, we shall see how my ski pants are holding up. Okay, the road conditions are quite slippery.
Turn right
At least that's what I think. They look pretty dangerous. Let's see. I'm gonna have to go pretty slow.
In 800 meters, turn right into Snowstorm.
To be completely honest with you, I am quite scared and I'm being extremely vigilant and very, very careful. The visibility is quite bad. And snowing pretty badly.
Turn right onto Wagen, Route 101.
This is where it gets really, really scary when you're taking turns and you come across dry ice.
Continue on Route 101 for 800 meters.
There's a 60-kilometer road. And that too, I'm really pushing it. There's cars behind me. They don't really care. What can you do? I'm trying to go as right as possible. This way. And the crosswinds are not helping.
Turn left onto Crosswinds.
Yes, I knew it. I knew I was gonna slip. Ow, I need a break. Oh shit. Yeah. This is very dangerous. I don't think I should carry on working. I just got a pretty bad cramp on my hip. I'm gonna head home after I finish delivering this one. There you go. Was she good, bro? I am gonna head home because it's not worth it. I don't want to get injured.